Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Headless Shopify Plus. Let's get started. So from in there, let's head over to a new tab wherein I have here the Shopify Plus, wherein you can see that they actually offer Shopify Headless Commerce. So this can transform any digital screen or device to sales channel right there. So for example, like this watch right here, or for this speaker right here, or for this screen right here. So there's actually a lot of innovative brands that use this, like for example, Figs, Baby Leftovers, and Grassroots. And you can unlock creative control. You can see that they have this customer touch points, commerce primitives, commerce capabilities, as well as storefront API right here. This is actually innovative. You can have developer freedom, flexibility, and omnichannel selling because you can start selling on all digital mediums your customers use while managing everything from a single backend. So you can actually do this without actually editing it out. Like for example, you don't need to edit out or design your website for the Apple Watch. You just need to design your website as is and it will reflect from in there. So as you can see, they have here a lot of freedom. So what you can do is you can actually head over and click on this Get in Touch. And then once you click on Get in Touch, you just need to enter in your full name, your business email, your business phone, your company website URL. So the website URL can be from Shopify itself, which you have created from them. Then from there, you can also choose your country and actually just choose your annual revenue volume. So for example, you can choose which country you have in here and actually this revenue volume, like for example, up to $1 million. And if you're an agency contacting on behalf, you can actually answer it out if ever. And then from in there, click on submit form right here. And once you have submit, they will actually reach out to you on what plan or how to do it with yourself. So if you have any questions, you can actually just head over and start a live chat from their live agent, and they will be able to help you out on setting up your actual Shopify Headless Commerce. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so feel free to like, learn, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.